Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class Matric, hope you are doing well. I am your teacher Nida Naqvi and this is your online virtual class organized by Metropolitan School. So today we are going to revise types of sentences. I hope you have done it before, but I am going to revise for you. Types of sentences. Okay. Number one is affirmative, and you can say it assertive as well. Okay, affirmative and assertive sentences can be negative and positive. Now come on second, which is negative, and third one is interrogative. Fine, so I'm going to give you a small review about these types of sentences. Now talk about first affirmative. These are the journal statements. Journal statements. And they can be positive and negative as well. Fine, now talk about negative. These are all about rejections. And the third one is interrogative, to make inquiries. Okay, plus confirmations. Okay, now I am giving you some examples so you can understand it easily. Fine. Number one, for example, I am taking tense present simple. Okay, present simple, and my sentence is I like to read newspaper. Fine. My sentence is in assertive form. I like to read newspaper, and this is a journal statement. Now I am willing to change into negative. So how will I change it? I am going to change it into negative. What will be the helping verb? If subject is singular, so I will use does. Okay, but with I'm going to use do. It's a grammar rule, you know. I do not, okay, I have used not to make it negative. I do not like to read newspaper. So by adding not, you have changed it into negative. Now I'm going to change negative into interrogative and simple. Now I'm going to take the first one. Okay, it will be more easy for you. I like to read newspaper. Now I need to change into interrogative. So how will I change it? As I have add do in the negative, so same will be done in the interrogative. But keep it in your mind, whenever you are going to change interrogative, helping verb will come at the beginning in the sentence. So do I like to read newspaper. Okay, now this is a question mark. Fine, so you can easily change any tense for any tense. For example, I'm just taking second one, present continuous. I am liking to read newspaper. Fine, so change into negative. I'm not liking. Okay, I'm just taking short. Okay, I'm not liking. You just need to add. If you talk about interrogative, am will begin at the first. Am I like to read newspapers? So this is how you will change affirmative into negative and negative into interrogative, or you can easily change any type of sentence. Okay, so this is the small review about the sentences and their conversion. Now I am going to tell you something about do as directed. Okay, now you need to change tense. Fine. I hope you have learned before in class 9 about the tenses very well and you have a strong concept, but I am giving you a short revision, okay, of do is directed. It's mean, do is directed, you can say do is directed, and sometimes question will be changed the tense. Okay, both meanings are same. As a direction, you need to change the sentence, fine, and change the tense. For example, she works hard. Now you need to change into past simple. So how will you change it? Now, first you need to identify which tense is this, okay? So this tense is present simple, fine, and I am going to change into past simple. So remind what are the helping verbs of past simple. You know helping verb, you just need second form of verb. Okay, so she, what is the second form of verb? She worked hard. Okay, now if you have a same sentence, you have this sentence and this is in past simple, you need to change into future simple. So how will you change it? Now come again, remember it, what are the helping verb of future simple? We have will and shall, but now in advance we just use will, okay? There is no concept of shall in advanced English. So you can easily put will anywhere if you are talking about something for future. So she will, but what about form of verb? Yes, form of verb will change according to the tense. So in future simple we need to use first form of verb. Okay, so I'm going to change the form of verb also. She will work hard. Okay, so I have changed different tenses, fine, for your convenience. She, I'm taking another last example. He is driving a car. Okay, this tense is in present continuous. You need to change into past continuous, okay? As I have directed you in the bracket, past continuous. So how will you change? Let's revise. What are the helping verb of past continuous? Was and were with first form and plus ing. Okay? So, but when will you use was and when will you use were? Was will be used when subject is singular and we will use were when subject is plural. So I have a subject which is singular. So I am going to use was. He was driving a car. Okay. So this sentence has been changed into past continuous. So these are the examples to you because I am going to give you assignment, okay? You will get the PDF, so you need to change all the tenses as I have directed you in the PDF. So I hope you have got concept and you have a little revision I have for you here. So you need to do your homework of English language which in the second week. Okay, thank you.